1. A 1971 Mercedes-Benz is for sale at a price of $8,000. This car is currently in excellent working condition and is able to provide excellent performance on the road. According to the seller, it works perfectly and the suspension and steering were reconstructed, including the replacement of the underframe bushing, as well as the restoration of the radiator, the installation of a new water pump and thermostat. Cosmetic work is needed to put the appearance in order. However, this car has an excellent potential for restoring and improving its appearance. Thus, for $8,000, this may represent an attractive offer for those who are looking for a classic Mercedes-Benz with the potential for a long and joyful operation on the road. 2. For sale is a 1940 Cadillac salle with a price of $7,000. This car is a project that is currently under construction and requires additional work. It has been in the family since 1988, was stored in the garage and was rarely used. At the moment, the car does not start, and the last time it was known to be running was 1992. The registration was last updated in 1993. The mileage indicated on the odometer is 16,364 miles, but the accuracy of this indicator is unknown. 1940 Cadillac salle is a potentially interesting project for those who are looking for a vintage car with a history and are ready to invest efforts in its restoration. It is priced at $7,000 or the best deal and is located in San Martin, California. 3. For sale is a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D with a price of $6,600. This car is a classic Ford Mustang model and is currently in excellent condition. It has an automatic transmission and the body is painted beige, off-white. The mileage is 200,000 miles and the car, judging by the description, has no serious damage or problems. This Mustang Coupe is an excellent offer for those who are looking for a classic American car ready to use without the need for significant repairs. The 1967 Ford Mustang has always been a symbol of power and style, and this instance is a great option for connoisseurs of classic cars. 4. The 1984 BMW 3 Series is for sale at a price of $6,500. This car is currently in working condition and is a classic BMW 325 in model. The mileage is 116,000 miles, which makes it relatively low for its age. The previous owner decided to update the appearance by applying a Rhinotra tire to the original Marcel body color. The car comes with the original discs and another set of discs similar to those installed on the car, but in silver color. The car works well, and the current owner has driven it only a few hundred miles in a few years of ownership. Registration is up to date, which makes it ready to use. This 1984 BMW 3 Series is an interesting choice for BMW and classic car lovers, offering a unique style with slight changes in appearance. 5. For sale is a 1972 Volkswagen Squareback with a price of $6,500. This car is a classic squareback, which is currently in working condition and ready for use. He has a clean title and registration is up to date, which makes the purchase process more convenient. The car is equipped with a 1914 cubic centimeter engine and dual Weber 40 carburetors, original, which adds performance. There is also a deep oil sump, which contributes to better engine lubrication. The car has new floor panels and carpeting, as well as working heating and windscreen wipers, which makes it more convenient for winter operation. The only thing that needs attention is the missing ceiling upholstery and some rust in the thresholds. The owner is also considering an exchange for a Harley-Davidson FXR or Choppers, not a Sportster or a Volkswagen thing. This 1972 Volkswagen Squareback is a wonderful car for those who appreciate classics and want a ready-to-use car with the potential for improvements and improvements. 6. A 1969 MG Midget with a price of $6,000 is for sale. This car, produced in 1969, is currently in working condition, although it has some problems with the carburetor. It is registered as faulty, and the seller claims that he is the third owner of this car. The 1969 MG Midget is a representative of classic British sports cars and has its own unique style. Despite the problems with the carburetor, it is still ready for use. The seller also mentioned the presence of a white 1967 MG MGB GT, although he does not have keys. He is ready to consider proposals for both cars together. This 1969 MG Midget represents a potentially interesting purchase for connoisseurs of British sports cars, offering style and room for improvement. 7. For sale is a 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic LS Sedan 4D with a price of $5,500. Despite the fact that the description says Malibu, it is actually a Chevy Laguna S3. This is a rare find, as Facebook does not provide an option for Laguna, which highlights the uniqueness of this car. The car is in working condition and ready for use. It has new shock absorbers, radiator and battery, and it successfully passes the exhaust gas test, smog test, every time. The car is equipped with a 350 motor with a 4-chamber carburetor. It should be noted that the car has an oil leak from the transmission seal, but this does not affect its ability to switch. This car has one owner, which gives it historical value in history. This 1976 Chevrolet Malibu, actually Chevy Laguna S3, is a wonderful offer for collectors and lovers of classic cars. Its rarity and safety make it a unique and interesting car to purchase. 8. For sale is a 1986 GMC El Camino with a price of $9,500. This car is currently in working condition and is a perfect combination of a pickup truck and a passenger car. It has an original power plant and meets the factory specifications. El Camino is equipped with a 305 cubic inch engine and is equipped with air conditioning, electric windows and locks, cruise control system. The car is the owner's second car, and he decided to sell it in order to purchase a new 3/4-ton trailer truck. The car body is in good condition, and the parts are in original condition. This 1986 GMC El Camino is an excellent offer for those who are looking for a practical and stylish car, with the possibility of using it for everyday tasks such as cargo transportation and comfortable movement. 9. For sale is a 1988 Chevrolet Silverado C1500 with a price of $8,500. This pickup truck is currently in working condition and is a classic representative of the Chevrolet Silverado. It has recently successfully passed the exhaust gas inspection, smog, and has several new parts, including a new gas tank, fuel pump, ball bearings, brakes, and the master cylinder of the brake system. The car has a smooth body covering and is in overall good condition. The odometer shows 200,000 miles, but the previous owner replaced the motor, so the actual mileage is unknown. However, the car starts successfully at every start. The car has a clean title and registration is up to date. This 1988 Chevrolet Silverado C1500 is a reliable and ready-to-use pickup truck that also retains its classic American style. 10. For sale is a 1986 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D with a price of $6,500. This car is currently in working condition and is a classic C4 Corvette, which was released in 1986. The car is equipped with a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine, which provides excellent performance. It handles well and allows you to enjoy dynamic driving. The car also has a removable Targa-type roof, which adds style and variability to the category of open cars. It should be noted that the coating of the car body partially peeled off under the influence of the sun, which usually happens with cars older than years. However, the headlights work flawlessly and never get stuck. The owner also replaced the generator and the alternator belt, which ensures reliable operation of the car. This 1986 Chevrolet Corvette is a great opportunity for fans of classic American sports cars. Despite small defects, it promises to bring pleasure from driving and cause adoration for its style.